Day 5 dawned a bit cloudy, with the view of the mountain and valley obscured by the low stratos. But blue sky was already beginning to show through, so we headed down for breakfast before setting out for another day on the slopes of Auron. Upon reaching the top of the dome lift, we soon realized why the clouds were clearing so fast. There was a very strong wind on the top of the mountain, with blowing snow and ice making conditions quite tough. The wind really picked up fast with strong gusts which reduced visibility a lot in some places. It was also much colder because of the wind chill factor. Once we got off the most exposed ridges, the wind eased off a little and we soon found ourselves skiing through drifts of powdered snow, as good as anything we have seen in Japan. Dad got a little bit distracted and took a tumble. Oops! But the soft powder cushioned his fall safely. We continued down the Bhutia Blue Run and took the lift back to Bersham Ridge. The wind was very strong up there, hitting as much as 45 kilometers an hour, according to the resort guides we met. After that, we decided to call it a day and we headed back down to the village. Stay tuned for our final video coming soon when I try my hand at snowboarding. Bye for now.